Hey everyone, just gonna give you an update on Ethereum Gold. They officially released the rebranding of their site. It's called Ethereum Capital Wallet. When you do connect to the site, it's going to ask you to reconnect your MetaMask wallet. So basically it'll pull all your same stuff over from Ethereum or ETH Gold website. It is the same. Everything's the same. It kind of explains how it works right here. How much can you earn? Is it Ethereum safe? It's in a contract, so your funds are never locked up. You pay a 20% to enter and 10% to leave, and that's what gets distributed to all of the token holders. So here's the 2018 growth chart, 2019, and 2020. And this one's not complete yet because obviously we're still in 2020. They still do up at the top have the backup link, which goes to Ethereum Gold, so they'll keep their old website up because everything still functions, it still all connects together. And then the second backup link at the top of the site goes to Gold Chip, which is the same thing. Basically they're just hedging against DDoS attacks. So, and they do have the link to the Etherscan verified and audited contract. There's what, $3.5 million in there? What? Yeah, 1,000 million. Yeah, 12,401 Ethereum. So there's transactions happening all the time. When you hit enter now, it'll take you to your account. Let's give that a second to load. You can actually switch your currencies. So if you have a different currency you want to view it in, I'm going to leave mine in USD, and you can also change your language. I'm going to leave it in English so I can understand what it says. But if you'll notice on this site, they don't actually tell you how many Ethereum are in there, just the total value. Because it really doesn't matter how much Ethereum's in there, as long as the value's there. So you're going to be buying Ethereum credits and selling, and it's a 10% fee. Let's see. Let's go back to how it works real quick. The fee to enter is 20%, and it's deducted as soon as you deposit, and 10%. Oh, so it's 10% either way, but the total is 20%. They could have worded that a little bit differently. It does pop up and tell you when somebody spends money to buy credits. So basically, you're buying Ethereum credits, and that's how much you're holding in your wallet. And then as your credits will give you dividend rewards, your total dividends rewards, and you can withdraw or reinvest. So it's pretty much exactly the same, just with a better looking facelift. Makes it a little bit easier for everybody to understand. I'm actually waiting on a bank transfer, and then I'll probably be putting 2 or 3 Ethereum in here. I still haven't decided exactly how much I'm going to go with in here. But this one's been up and running for a long time, since 2018. So I will gladly invest into this and just let it ride. It doesn't matter to me how long it takes to give my money out on this one. I mean, let's see, first date is April 10th, 2018. on the 14th it had 9 Ethereum. So, and the Ethereum balance is obviously going to go up and down. So, yep, I just wanted to give you an update on this one because this one's a good long-term one that I'm going to be jumping in. Again, do your own research, be your own person, make your own decisions. Just because I'm getting into something doesn't mean you should. Y'all have a wonderful day and keep up the good work. Bye-bye.